Good. Now let's begin, all right? Last night, I shared with all of you that the following of attacks to Trump, stuff related to his presidency and gold strengthened. And last night, US stocks related to Trump concepts stole the spotlight. And but how right now? How will the US stocks market perform tonight? And today, lead by the construction stocks, the KLSE rose to 1,633.97, marking a new high for the year, and then went back, right? So when the tech stock starts to rally, many scholars will give the experience bonus on Monday, engage in AI training today, which is also deepening their understanding after the operations. Now, some scholars also asked that about the principal trigger AI trading buy and sell execution. So, witnessing all our scholars are engaging deeply in our class and also making progress in their learnings really bring me great joy. So, well done, everyone. So today, I'll be continuing to explain AI trading to everyone to give you all a better understanding and keeping up with institution trends to understand the core secrets of profitable investment. Okay, all right. Now, let's look at what we are going to cover for today. First thing, which is where the Dow Jones sustained its record high growth and where the upward trend in the stocks linked to Trump continuing to go up. Now, second thing that we are going to cover, which is after reaching a new high, where the KLSE index continued to rise, and where is the foreign capital flow next? Now, thirdly, AI swings trading strategy for monitoring funds flow to enhance returns and following trends by writing capitals, Fibonacci retracement, and momentum trading. All right. Now, scholar watching our live course. Of course, remember, I want to remind all of you to check in with your class account to receive your classroom credit. All right. And of course, I hope everyone learning with dimensional live classroom and achieving both profit and investment knowledge. All right, so now let's hop on to our topic number 11, which is where the Dow Jones continued its record high growth and can the rise in Trump concept stocks continue? Last night, while the global investment market continued to fiercely watch Trump, the US stocks market experienced another day of gains, with Dow Jones Industrial Average hitting a new high of all-time closing high. So value stocks performed well overall, and with Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, all reaching new highs for a closing high. Now, for the S&P 500 index, it went up by 0.28%. And for Nasdaq, it went up by 0.4%. Dow Jones Industrial Average went up by 0.53%. Now, stocks that related to Trump shows an outstanding performance on Monday, with DJT closing up by 31.37%, although it fell by more than 10% in after hours of trading. But this shows that the market views these stocks as more speculative. Now, additionally, due to events like an assassination attempt on Trump, cryptocurrency related stocks collectively rose. Now, this is with MicroStrategy went up by 15.36%. Coinbase went up by 11.39%. And this is why they should avoid buying Trump-related stocks at high price, as they are mainly speculative. Okay, so and also the oil and gas sectors, rose by 1.78% yesterday. So in short term, we can focus on opportunities in quality stocks related to these sectors, such as like APA and GFR in the US stocks market. This is in US stocks market, all right? Now, okay, regarding the seven tech giant, you can see that Apple rose by 1.68%, Microsoft by 0.09%, Amazon fell by 0.91%, and Meta also dropped by 0.54%. Google rose by 0.79%. Tesla rose by 1.78%, and Nvidia fell by 0.62%, and Intel also fell by 0.09%. So, all right, this is the seven tech giants. All right, as the bets now on Trump's returning to the White House has increased, right? Stocks like PDD Holdings and Baidu fell yesterday because of this. But however, in the short terms, there is still an opportunity to focus on buying PDD Holdings at a low price. All right, so PDD revenue is increasing with efficient operations and a strategic focus. And the number of countries where Thermo is available continue to rise. And this expansion has brought products in over like 70 countries and regions, such as like North America, Europe, Asia, and besides that, the US market also. There are also European, Middle East, Japanese country, and South Korea, Southeast Asian market as well. So, Thermo rapid globalization strategy can help to hedge against geopolitical risk in specific region. Now, every one of you understand this point? If yes, please give me a response. Okay, now I want to share this information with all of you. Wall Street giant JP Morgan Chase, right, has released its second quarter performance report for this year. And thanks though the business growth in JP Morgan Chase exceed expectation in both revenue and profit for the second quarter. So at Monday close, JP Morgan Chase rose by 2.49%. So continue to hit new all-time high. And JP Morgan Chase has been using AI and machine learning technologies to enhance its investment strategy and their business operations. Now, they use AI is to analyze vast amount of financial data and also ranging from historical market data to news and also up to social media content. Now, this type of analysis help them to predict markets, identify investment opportunities, and evaluate the risk in the same time. Now, JP Morgan Chase has developed an advanced algorithm trading system that can automatically execute trades and optimize buying and selling times to improve their efficiency and in the same time improve their profitability as well. Now, this system can complete trades in milliseconds, not seconds, in milliseconds. So, which is so much faster than humans trader, right? And another thing that JP Morgan Chase right now is also using AI to improve their customer service, such as like providing a quick and accurate response through chatbots and intelligent assistant. And this is to enhance the customer experience and of course to reduce the burden on customer service terms. Right now, currently, JP Morgan Chase is also developing a software similar to ChatGPT. And according to Feelings, JP Morgan Chase has applied for a trademark for the products. It means that Index GPT, Index GPT, all right, which were used for cloud computing software utilizing artificial intelligence, and is to analyze and select security suitable for the client needs. So, JP Morgan Chase has already hired 1,500 data scientists and machine learning engineers. And is those tests and multiple with tests of multiple use cases, such as like for GPT technology. Okay, now another thing which is that only in April, JP Morgan Chase also reported that it had started using an set of AI and large language models to gauge sentiment change from public speech by 17 Federal Reserve officials and combining them into monetary policy health index. Now, right? So this report indicates that JP Morgan Chase initially used Google Bard models, but later switched to OpenAI GPT model, which is changes. These changes have made them to achieve significant improved result. Now, JP Morgan economist that time wrote in the report says that perimeter but results shows that AI predictions are encouraging, but we believe that there is still much room for AI technology to apply in financial market. Okay, now it's not just that JP Morgan Chase are using all AI. Now Bloomberg, a global renowned company, financial information and data company, has also released their Bloomberg GPT, which is an AI system built specifically for financial industry and is based on decades of data collection. So Morgan Stanley uses GPT-4 for its wealth management division, and Two Sigma uses ChatGPT to analyze financial system and news content to identify potential investment opportunity and also risk. So AI can automate the analysis of large amount of data and extract useful information, which is leading to a better understanding of a company performance in a faster way and to understand the market trends in a faster way and making now informed investment decision. All right. Now, we can see that major Wall Street giants are all now using AI to help predict the market trends, identify investment opportunities, and of course, to save costs, right? And save costs, and of course, definitely is to increase their profit. So they are all intensify their AI research and develops efforts to boost institution return. So indicating that AI will penetrate various industry in the futures. Understand? Okay, if understand this point, here, please give me a reply by saying understand or saying yes. Okay, next we will talk about Malaysia market. All right. Now, last night in the class, we discussed that over the past week, the Malaysia Stocks Exchange recorded a net foreign purchase for the second consecutive week, right? Which is totaling of 478.2 million in ringgit. And this shows that foreign investors have been buying stocks steadily for 2 weeks. So according to our dimensional research data, the weekly capital flows reports shows that most of the foreign inflows, which is totaling of 389.2 million in ringgit, were recorded on Thursday. Why Thursday? Because Thursday is when the Bank Negara of Malaysia announced its decision to maintain the overnight policy rate at 3%. And that is when the foreign investor come in. So with the policy rates unchanged, foreign capital inflow increase, right? Money flow in. With the mass foreign buying in sectors such as like construction sectors, utility sectors, right? And BMI also indicates that as economic recovery progresses, Malaysia consumer spending for the year should remain strong. Now, real inflation and a tight labor market will support consumption as real wages growth returns to positive, which will also boost the purchasing power throughout the full year. So, strong consumer spending is also helping business profit continue to rise, right? Which is further benefiting the stocks market. Definitely, right? Okay, why is this? Why? Now, let me ask all of you a question. What are the three main factors driving the economy? What are the three main factors that are driving the economy? Thus, we now can reply, all right? Okay, investment and export, which is a very good answer. The three main factors driving the economy are investment, export, and consumption, which also which is also meaning that how much people spend, right? So in Malaysia, the main investments come from tech giants building data center, which attract foreign capital to Malaysia market. And regarding exports, Malaysia is the world's sixth largest semiconductors exporter, accounting for 13% for global market for semiconductor packaging, assembly, and testing. We already talked about this in our previous class, right? Remember? Now, additionally, Malaysia supplies 20% of annual semiconductor imports to US and packages up to 23% of US chips. So according to BMI data, Malaysia consumer spending should remain strong throughout the year. So with the support from these three factors, Malaysia economic development will further improve, right? So this is also why Dimensional use Malaysia as a pivot to lay out the investment market in the Asia Pacific region. All right. Now, after explaining the fundamentals, next we will analyze today's market trends together. Okay, here as you can see, the KLSE index started a bit higher today, which is at 1,631.73 points. So, but after reaching a peak of 1,633.97, which is the highest in this year, and then what happened? funds choose to sell at these higher levels, which is leading to a decline after the components like CDB and SIME, among others, all fell. Then construction stocks also saw a decline, which is regarding the recent pullbacks after hitting new highs. I look at it as a positive development. And why do I say this so? Why do I look at it as a positive development? Because I'm optimistic about Malaysia economy and the stocks market trend. As I have analyzed before, right? I emphasize that it's currently a slow bull market, which means that it is a best strategy to engage in swing trading, right? Because it's going to fluctuate in a slow bull market. So institution tends to sell quickly when the price rises. So to recover, to increase profit, swing trading is the ideal for the current market. But it is also challenging without a constant monitoring. You have to keep on looking at the market to be able to do swing trades, to be able to identify where is the entry point, where is the selling point. So initially, the KLSE index new high signal optimism in the market, right? Prompting retail investors to increase their involvement. For example, today, I remember a scholar bought WCT at 1 to 1 and aiming to achieve a day trade. But after that, the rapid drop surprised him. So lately, the market funds focused on short-term trades with limited gains. And this explains why profits haven't matched those of our earlier months, right? So institutional funds now are more favorable for swing trading, which is benefiting from constant monitoring, unlike us who face delay in making decision, a little bit delay, right? Because right now, efficiency drops as every step. Why? Why do I say that? Because from assistant notification to all of you, to all of our scholars, and then you all make action. It takes times, right? So the time is very critical in investing, where times equal money. So time is money in this world, right? Consider this. We have to negotiate with Dimensional and also partners to secure 6,000 slots and with 5,000 experience bonuses to trade AI effectively and profitably without emotional interference. And also, of course, to ensure profitability, right? So a tough challenging, but our premise to trade and recommend stocks still stands. So institutional support will help us to recover losses and then enter the 410 profit brand without damaging our reputation. So this week, we secure 6,000 slot rewarding proactive scholars. All right. And I know that some of you have already benefited from it, while others wait because due to a very high demand. So for any more updates, contact our assistant from me. All right. Okay, now today after reaching highs, and then the index
这个表现
retreated
感觉如何
went
呢？
out, right? Which causing
就还行
most
吧，
of the
大家
stock switch from gains to losses, right? For example, now IT206 experienced a slight drop after hitting 1.71, but the overall trend still remains bullish, reflecting a strong buying interest. And meanwhile, like 0097 adjusted today and return to the initial purchasing price. Now, it's crucial to monitor whether the stocks break through significant support levels during the decline or not. Now, floating position is advisable if this levels holds, right? Understand? Now, for construction stocks are undergoing significant adjustment at the high levels, while for technology stocks reach new highs before retracing today. So if the technology stocks consolidate near the moving average of 10 in the near future, it could mean that a signal of buying opportunities for high quality tech stocks. All right. I expect a continuous focus from investors on construction and technology sectors. So, and therefore, it's prudent to target superior stocks within these types of sectors, which is within construction and technology sectors. Okay, everyone understand? If yes, please give me or respond by saying yes. Okay, and also tomorrow during an actual training hours, I will select the high quality stocks for short-term buying based on the market condition. So everyone, all scholars, please pay attention to the existing updates. All right. Okay, now moving on to our third topic, which is AI 4.0. We're using swing trading. And what is the strategy for monitoring funds flow to enhance returns? And how does the AI do it? Now, let's talk about this. Now, before I talk about this, I know that the proactive scholars has executed the initial tiers of construction smart investment startup AI strategy trades yesterday, right? And here in the AI trading, we offer three distinct options, which is first thing is varying in strategy execution time, expected returns, and investment amounts. Okay, let me give you an example. The current inactive involved on construction smart trading, which uses AI to continuously monitor unusual trades in construction stocks. Now, it evaluates and selects stocks based on their value, which is engaging in short-term trading of construction stocks with startup capital between 5,000 up to 50,000. Now, because this strategy is primarily focused on day trading and to invest short-term investment, so large sums of money cannot be traded quickly, right? And firstly, to ensure a rapid completion of a buy orders isn't guaranteed. Secondly, it may attract market attention, right? So Scammer acknowledge this point, respond with a okay. All right, now considering risk management, we are like going in on trades. So when the AI detect a buy signal, position control is adjusted based on the amount of funds available. Now, many scholars understand why we set the targets of 10 days with a 22% returns. The 22% returns in 10 days is an advantageous as it ensures that a stable completion, combining with the current volatile upwards market trends, right? And yesterday, for a construction smart AI engaged in day trading with 7195. Remember, this stocks the code of 7195, which is achieving approximately 12%, 4% of profit, then executing a sell order, right? And today, Construction Smarts placed a buy order at IGM at 3.59. But however, AI trading detected a significant capital outflow in the market today. So, planting the AI to signal that the support might be inefficient. So, a minor stop loss sell thus execute immediately to secure a reasonable profit for investor, which is selling at a price of 3.56. So about yesterday the trade of 7195 makes over 4% of profit. But today market fluctuation require a disciplined stop loss action, which is resulting in a minimal 0.8% of loss for today, IGM. All right, for IGM only. And this disciplined risk management underscored the advantages of AI trading. So based on the preset trading strategy and the algorithms, AI system automates trading, reducing the impacts of human emotion or training decision, right? Which is also enhancing efficiency and enhancing execution. And additionally, comprehensive analysis consider of various factors such as market dynamics and funds inflow and funds outflow, which is providing a more complete approach to the operations. All right. Now, okay, just now we talked about IGM, right? In addition to executing buy and sell orders for IGM, Construction Smarts also identify a short-term stocks, which is 5171, and issue a buy order at 1.58. And after issue a buying order of 1.58 and a sell order at 1.66. Highest profit is that making a 5% profit, right? Now, as you can see, the starting point and the final stops here. Okay, and also the question now is, how did the AI training discover this particular stops? How does it so smart? How does it discover these stops? Is by looking at this daily charts. Is the buying logic similar to our earlier state strategy? Our earlier strategy at, well, right? Remember, and Inari also. Now here is Inari, which is focusing on what? Focusing on breakouts. This is what we call breakout under resistance level, right? And an effective breakout. So as we discussed in our previous lesson, there are two methods for buying strong quality stocks. What is it? The first thing is true and effective breakout. And the second thing is buying when the stocks rebound to the support level without breaking them. Right. So AI training observed that 5171 break through the previous resistance, which is here, right? In both through the previous resistance, right? You are agree? Of course, right? Now, after breaking through the resistance, what does it do? It entered the trades, right? Which is to make a buying decision based on the big data analysis of financial data, and also using market sentiment towards the stocks and, of course, other factors as well. Right, now scholars who understand this point, please give me a response by replying yes. Okay, I see your responses. Very good, very good, very good. Now, if we observe, let's say we observe it manually, it will take a longer time to notice that this particular stocks break out above the resistance level, or any particular stocks break out the resistance level, right? So AI trading can achieve this efficiently. So Suncon, on the other hand, Suncon as well, on the other hand, received a buy order from AI trading after stabilizing following a rapid decline, which is engaging in a intraday momentum trading and earning a 1.6% in profit. This is also by AI, right? So next, let's understand how AI trading tracks capital flows to enhance return. Okay, now first thing, we talked about data collection and analysis. Data collection and analysis, which means that AI trading can collect and analyze a large volume of market data in real time, including trading volume, including price changes, orders flows, and even more. Now, this data is used to identify patterns to capital flow in the market. So by analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can pinpoint which stocks or which markets sectors are attracting significant capital coming in. Understand? Now, the second powerful thing, which is pattern recognition, which is AI use advanced algorithm to recognize patterns in capital flows that may indicate future market trends. So AI trains model to identify complex patterns in a capital flows that may not be visible to analysis. This is very powerful. Right. Automated trading, all of you know, right? Which means like once AI training identifies a favorable patterns in capital flow, it can automatically execute trades strategy to quickly capture market opportunities, right? It can also leverage minor price fluctuation in the market to execute trades rapidly. Okay, now real-time market monitoring, which means that AI always monitor the market, which is like AI continuously monitor market data and capital flows in real time. And AI can calmly take action upon detecting abnormal or unfavorable market condition or good market condition, such as adjusting the position or implementing a stop loss measure if there is any unfavorable market condition or there is any abnormal condition going on. In a split second, you can understand that. Okay, the last but not least, which is the sentiment analysis. AI can analyze sentiments on news, on social media platforms, and combining with capital flow data to predict the market trends. And let me tell you why. Because like by analyzing news article, social media posts, and other textual data, then AI can assess market sentiment and incorporates into capital flows analysis. Let me give you an example, all right? Imagine this, detecting a significant amount of positive news. And then go to social media, just look at the discussion, and then they may indicate an impending capital inflows into a specific market or a specific stocks. All right. Now, the key of AI trading abilities is to track capital flows lies in real-time data analysis and pattern recognition and automated decision making. All right. Now, scholar who understand this point, please give me a response by saying, okay, or give me a response by saying sure. Okay, very good. I see your responses. It's actually similar to how Google Maps can predict real-time traffic congestion and estimate the arrival times, as we discussed last night, right? And this is how AI can do on financial market. Okay, now let's move on. Oh, all right. Now we come up to our third topic, which is borrowing trends, prioritizing capital, Fibonacci retracement, and momentum trading using Fibonacci retracement and momentum trading. Okay, let me just open up my trading view to give you all a better understanding, okay, of this part. Last night, I explained to everyone about the Fibonacci retracement line, which is for the strength resistance zone, right? And final support zone. And for the no support zone, you must remember that trends determine direction, and Fibonacci retracement lines are used to assess the support and resistance. So now providing logical entry for us and also providing a logical exit point for us. So regarding these techniques, some scholars asked me a few questions, such as like, why? They asked me like, why we draw some Fibonacci, we draw from bottom to top. We draw from bottom to top, right? And some of the Fibonacci, we draw from top to bottom. What is the difference? So for example, last night a strong resistance level and a final support zone as well. As I mentioned earlier, Fibonacci retracement line are drawn depending on whether the trend is upwards or whether the trend is downwards, right? So, for example, in upwards trend, Fibonacci retracement line are typically drawn from the recent low to the high time, okay, which is predicting potential support level where traders might buy in anticipating or the future price increase. So for example, for this one, what should we draw? Is it an upward trend, right? So we should draw from a bottom. So let me press my Fibonacci retracement first. From a bottom, oh, okay now, from bottom all the way to the top, right? This is how we draw for an upwards trend. Okay, how about the downwards trend? Now, in the downwards trend, these lines are drawn from the high point to the low point, which is predicting potential resistance level, where traders might sell to prevent future price decline. Okay, let's just draw on this screen. Okay, let's just take an example. If it's in a downtrend, this is just an example. All right, you should draw from the high point to the bottom point, which is from, for example, from here all the way here. And this is down trend, downward trend. Understand? From downward trends, draw it from upper to lower, from the highest point to a lowest point. And if it's far upper, draw it from the lowest point to the highest point. Understand? Now, scholar who understand this point, please give me a response with a yes. Okay? All of you understand, right? Now, this is why in our earlier technical learning section. Firstly, I teach all of you that how to identify trends first, right? In the first technical class, I teach how to identify trends. And then the next thing I teach all of you is whether stocks are in an uptrend or an downtrend. And following by draw Fibonacci retracement lines according to the trend, which is from bottom to top for the uptrend, from top to bottom for the downtrend, and following by Fibonacci, right? So our course